Okay, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about S-block elements introduction. Okay, so S-block elements. Left side of the periodic table of elements is called S-block elements. Differentiating electron enters into ns orbital of elements is called S-block elements. So S-block elements contain how many groups? Two groups. That is 1, 2. So one group or first group is first A group, second group, second A group. First A group is called alcoholic metals. Second A group is called alcoholic earth metals. Already we know that last class. So now which elements except hydrogen, remaining all first group elements is called alcoholic metals. Okay, suppose lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, so overall alcoholic metals contain Ns1 electronic configuration. Already know that. Okay, alcoholic earth metals Ns2 electronic configuration. Alcoholic metals, what is the electronic configuration? Ns1 electronic configuration. Suppose what is the atomic numbers of first A group or alcoholic metals? Lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87. Okay, so these are atomic numbers of first A group or alcoholic metals. Lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87. So overall we write the electronic configuration. Okay, now first of all lithium. So 1s2 2s1 electronic configuration. 1s2 2s1 electronic configuration. So end with 2s1, just like ns1. Here n is equal to ns1 or 2s1 electronic configuration. Okay, we write shortcut word just like 1s2. 1s2 means how many electrons? 2 electrons. It is equal to helium. Helium atomic number 2. Helium contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. So we write He, helium 2s1. End with the 2s1 electronic configuration or outer shell 2s1. So next further sodium 11 electrons. We write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So total 10 electrons. Remaining 3s1 electronic configuration. 3s1. So what is the outer shell? 3s1. 3s1 is the outer shell. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We write it is equal to neon electronic configuration. So 3s1. 2s1, 3s1 just like ns1 electronic configuration. Next further we write potassium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 10 electrons, 3s2 3p6 okay 8 total 18 electrons. So next 4s1 electronic configuration, 4s1 electronic configuration end with 4s1, end with 4s1. So overall 1s2 2s2 2p6 10, 3s2 3p6 8 total 18. So 18 we write argon 4s1 electronic configuration. Okay, argon 4s1 electronic configuration end with 2s1 3s1 4s1 just like ns1 electronic configuration. Or suppose we have taken rubidium, suppose 1s2 2s2 2p6 10, 3s2 3p6 8 okay 1s2 2s2 2p6 10, 3s2 3p6 8 next 3d10 4s2 so 10 10 okay 10 10 20 plus 8 28 okay 20 plus 8 28 plus 2 30 and 4p6 5s1 electronic configuration. Okay, listen 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 5s1 10 10 20 electrons plus 8 28 plus 2 30 plus 6 36 plus 1 37 electronic configuration. So overall they are all we write the electronic configuration 36 plus 1 36 plus 1. So what is the 36 element? Krypton. So krypton 5s1 krypton 5s1 2s1 3s1 4s1 5s1 ns1 electronic configuration. As it is end with 6s1 end with 7s1 electronic configuration. Overall what is the general electronic configuration? ns1 electronic configuration. Okay, so ns1 2s1 3s1 4s1 5s1 6s1 7s1 overall ns1. Here change the n value only. So what is the n value? Different shells or orbits. Okay, period just like. Okay, how many periods? 7. Okay, so overall we write the electronic configuration. So 2s1 3s1 4s1 5s1 6s1 just like ns1 electronic configuration. Listen, so these are all elements exhibit different colors. Overall, lithium contain crimson red color, crimson, cream and red just like mixing. Okay, so lithium which color? Mixing of cream and red just like crimson red color. Next sodium, it is a yellow color, sodium yellow color. Next potassium violet color, potassium violet color. Next rubidium violet red, violet red, mixing of two colors, violet color at the same time red color. Okay, violet red. Next cesium, blue color, blue color. Okay, so francium does not contain color here, but lithium, crimson red, sodium, yellow color, potassium, violet, rubidium, violet red, next cesium, blue color. So different elements contain different colors. So what is the physical properties of alcoholic metals? Overall, already we know that they are all solid components. Means metals means solid components. Okay, solid components and metallic nature, at the same time alcoholic nature. Alcoholic nature means basic nature. Okay, so overall, what is the atomic radius and ionization enthalpy, electronegativity and electron affinity? Now first of all, atomic radius. So what is the atomic radius? Already we know that. Okay, suppose for example we have taken one atom, it is central. So these are all different shells or orbits. So electron moves around the atom of the center. Okay, so overall the distance between central to outer shell of the electron is called atomic radius. Suppose for example it is end with 2s1 electronic configuration, 1s2 2s1. So 2s1 electronic configuration, it is the 1s 2s 2p 3s 4s. Okay, next suppose for example you have taken another 5s, next 6s, next further 7s, 1s 2s 3s 4s 5s 6s 7s. Suppose we have taken lithium outermost orbital 2s1 electronic configuration. So the electron is moves to s orbital. The distance is between central to outer shell of the electron is called atomic radius. Okay, what is the atomic radius? Distance between central to outer shell. Already we know that it is indicated with AR. What is the units of atomic radius? Centimeters or millimeters or Armstrong units. Okay, so overall very low atomic radius value of the element lithium. Okay, so because the distance is very low between central to outer shell. But suppose for example we have taken francium. This francium outermost orbital of electronic configuration 7s1. 7s1 is the outermost orbital of electronic configuration. So 7s1 means, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7s1. The distance is very high. Between central to outer shell. So that time very high atomic radius value of the element francium. Very low atomic radius value of the element lithium. So suppose it is a lithium. Next further 3s1 sodium, 4s1 potassium, 5s1 rubidium, next 6s1 cesium, 7s1 francium. Okay, so each element atomic radius is continuously increase. Okay, what is the concept here? Lithium contain very low atomic radius value, francium very high atomic radius value. From lithium to francium, increase the atomic radius values. Okay, from top to bottom in a group or in alcohol in metals, increase the atomic radius values. Okay, so it is atomic radius. Next, further, ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Suppose, for example, we are taking sodium metal. So it contains how many electrons? 11 electrons. When we have removed the electron from outermost orbital, we have required some energy. Already we know that. Okay, so it is converted to Na plus and 1 electron. The minimum energy is required. The minimum energy is required to remove the electron of gaseous state of the atom. Okay, outermost of the gaseous state of the atom. Okay, that minimum energy is called ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Okay, so suppose we have removed the one electron from outermost orbital of sodium, gaseous state of sodium atom. So in this process, we have required some energy. That energy is ionization enthalpy. Okay, ionization enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy is indicated with IE or IP. Okay, it is also called ionization energy also. What is the units? Kilojoule per mole. Okay, the units of ionization enthalpy is kilojoule per moles. Overall, so in this group, very high ionization enthalpy value of the element lithium. Very high ionization enthalpy of the value of the element, which element? Lithium. So very low IE value, which element? Francium. Very low lithium, very high francium. Okay, because it's like suppose it is a central, so it is a shells. We are taking lithium outermost orbital of electron is moved second shell. Okay, because it's like it is a, what is the electronic configuration? Outermost electronic configuration 2s1. 2s1 means 1s2, 1s2s. Okay, here the distance is very low between central to outer shell. Already we know that. Okay, the distance is very low between central to outer shell. That time the nuclear attraction or central attraction is very high. Okay, central attraction is very high between central to electron. So that time it is very difficult to remove the electron. It is very difficult because it's like attraction is very high. Okay, so that time we have required higher energies. Okay, we have required higher energies. So due to this reason, lithium contains very high ionization enthalpy value. Okay, very high ionization enthalpy value. Suppose we have taken francium. Okay, francium. Suppose francium outer shell orbital of electron is most seventh shell. So the distance is very high between central to outer shell. Okay, distance is very high, atomic radius value is very high. That time the central attraction or nuclear attraction is very low because distance is very high. So that time nuclear attraction is very low. When nuclear attraction is very low, it is very easy to remove the electron. Okay, that time we have required lower energies. Okay, we have required lower energies. So very low ionization enthalpy value, which element? Francium. So what is the concept? From top to bottom in this group, decrease the ionization enthalpy values. Decrease the ionization enthalpy values. Very high lithium, very low francium. From lithium to francium, decrease the ionization enthalpy values. Okay. Next further, third one, electron affinity. Electron affinity is also called electron gain enthalpy. Okay, electron gain enthalpy. This electron affinity is indicated with EA. What is the meaning of electron affinity? It is inversely, completely quite opposite to ionization enthalpy. So when we have removed the electron, we have required some energy. But when addition of electron, we have required some energy. So we have required to remove the electron, but we have required to addition of electron, to gain of electron. Suppose we have taken chlorine. Suppose that, for example, we have taken chlorine element. This chlorine element is reacts with the addition of one electron. So it is connected to Cl minus. Cl minus means anion. Anion means negative ion. Okay, anion means negative ion. So Cl minus ion or Cl minus anion. Okay, so chlorine, how many electrons? 17. Cl minus how many electrons? 18 electrons. So it is gain of 1 electron. So chlorine 17, gain of 1 electron. So Cl minus how many electrons? 18 electrons. Okay, 18 electrons. In this process we have required some energies. Okay, some time to release the energy also, not required, to release the energy also. Okay, so what is the electron affinity? The minimum energy is required to addition of 1 electron of outermost orbital of gaseous state of atom. Okay, that minimum energy is called electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. This electron affinity is indicated with EA. The units of electron affinity is kilojoule per mole. So what is the change here? Overall, in this group, very high electron affinity value, which element? Lithium. Okay, lithium contain very high electron affinity value. So at the same time, francium contain very low electron affinity value. From top to bottom in this group, decrease the electron affinity values. Okay, so what is the concept? Electron affinity values decrease from top to bottom in this group. Okay, it is a electron affinity. Okay, at the same time, last one, En, electronegativity. Simply we have called attraction capacity to participate the chemical bond. Okay, that attraction capacity is called electronegativity. Okay, what is the electronegativity? Simply we have called attraction capacity. Okay, so that attraction capacity or electronegativity, very high value lithium, very low value francium. From top to bottom in this group, decrease the electronegativity values. So overall, only atomic radius value is increased from top to bottom, but remaining three, ionization enthalpy, electron affinity, electronegativity, these three components is decreased from top to bottom in this group. Okay, further we have discussed about chemical properties. Okay, done.